Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete clips on Twitch. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here, I'm going to Chrome browser and search for twitch.tv. So now go to your profile, and here in the profile, you can see creator dashboard. So click on that and you are able to see here many options. Here, just click on the contents. So now go to clips here. So here I don't have any clips right now, but you will be able to see your clip or any clips that is posted by others. So here you will be able to see a dot that you can select, and in here you can see the folders of the clips, and you can just choose by your date and views, and you can see the category here and clip by. So you can just select it here and you will be able to see here trash scan, and just click on this and just reconfirm it or rewatch it before you delete the video. And in this way you can just delete a clip in Twitch. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.